Pedestrian accidents in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. I'm attorney Neil Burns, and along with my partner Roshan Jain, here at 6 Beacon Street, we represent victims of personal injury in Massachusetts. And I want to talk today about a victim who was a young man who was walking down the street near where he lived to get some exercise, and a neighbor, a woman, backed out and hit him in the knee and caused an injury. And it was a complicated case, and we had to try it before a judge and a jury in Brockton. And the reason was because the insurance company just didn't buy it. Their insured said it didn't really happen. She didn't think she hit him. But when we took her deposition, her testimony was pretty strange. She said everything happened in 2 seconds. She defrosted her windows, 2 seconds. She backed out, 2 seconds. She took off, 2 seconds. She saw him walking with a limp, 2 seconds. It just didn't add up, all those seconds, and it wasn't very realistic. And we tried it, and we won. And one of the things that was very helpful was the insurance company attorney had sent our client to the insurance doctor. And generally we know what that report looks like, and I could write it myself, although I've got no medical training. You know, it says that everything was from before and there's nothing going into the future. But this particular doctor wrote a really good report, a really helpful report to us. And so we used that against the defendant in this case, and that was very helpful. And we got a good verdict, and we collected the money on behalf of our client. And the point I really want to make with this story, with this client, with this video here today, is that you have to be tenacious. You have to keep pushing and pushing, because this is a case the insurance company didn't buy. They took the word of their insured saying she didn't hit him, and that was the end of it. That was their take on the case. They didn't bother listening to their own insured and what her testimony was, and they didn't bother listening to our guy who had no problems before but had derangement of his knee according to their own doctor. And we got a very good judgment, and we collected on that for the client. And the moral here is, if you are injured in a crosswalk accident or a pedestrian accident or any type of accident, call a law firm, call an attorney that's tenacious, call someone who will aggressively pursue getting you the money that you deserve. Call Burns and Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.